It's important to give concise names to what we're talking about so we can talk about it. So the lir is the renderable space of a level pack. So this center here is a rendering of our level pack, and when we're talking about what we see on the screen in relationship to a level pack, we're going to call that the lir. So it's basically the data, it's not the data, it's the rendering layout for the level pack. So lir stands for level pack and then rendering layout, lir. Okay, so we have this little battleship kind of diagram here that represents what you're seeing on screen here in the lir. And all of the battleship cells that have actually been labeled here are valid level pack cells within this 5x5 grid. These cells that are not labeled are the void space. And we've diagrammed it, and we've further diagrammed it here again, but with more verbose names that we actually have data for in our code. So let's go look at the deltas. So in the top level variables, lookup tables don't belong here. All this stuff up here needs to be put into the lookup table section. Down here is the what is the lir section, and we've just declared a whole bunch of variables for those different battleship cells in the diagram below. So we have the x coordinate and the y coordinate on our 5x5 grid for the different lir cells. Then down here, we're going to freeze these tiny little objects because they're immutable data. They're kind of like constants, but not quite constants, hence why they have a D underscore, not a C underscore. In the monkey wrench macros, we have added some more tags, and then also this is not correct because it's data, not constant, even though it is immutable. And then this is doubly fucking wrong because it's not C dumb, it's D lir, okay? And then down here, so we did previously, we got footnotes, we got what we did okay, we're done. We got to get out of here. Like and subscribe.